What's going on? What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. Hold on, I got something in my eye. But today we're going to be reviewing, it's not really reviewing, but going to the shooting range. If you watch my other video where I had went to the homemade shooting range, we're gonna go there today. We got some paper targets, so we'll have something to shoot at. So we're going to be kind of reviewing the Taurus CG3 and the CG2. So you know the CG3 is the bigger version or full-size gun of the CG2. So we're just gonna have some target practice, get some little videos in and stuff like that. Hope y'all enjoying y'all day. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what videos y'all want to see, and let me know if y'all enjoyed the last video. Make sure y'all subscribe because I'm trying to get my subscribers up. It's really hard to get subscribers and have loyal subscribers. So please subscribe, share to your family, friends, and just anybody that you can get to subscribe to my channel. We got Punch over here just doing random stuff, but I do want to upload and drop more videos and bring more content to you all. So just let me know what videos y'all want to see and what videos are y'all into and what y'all research or search in the search bar. But I'm gonna turn the camera around, show Poncho a little bit, and I'm gonna get back with y'all when my homeboys get here and we start heading to the homemade gun range. Poncho. Got the boys outside. Got the targets. She just gonna run away. She gonna hear a gunshot and run. But I'm finna show y'all basically. Yeah, that's my brother Acura rings and block rings. But we finna go make this little walk. If you remember watching my other video, you'll see this long ass walk. But all the way up there. Y'all tripped. I remember seeing the bullets in the back, thought somebody was gonna grab them. Now we gotta walk back, go get the bullets. But might have another video dropping for my boy Jay, his birthday coming up. So we plan on getting an Airbnb, throwing a little kickback, and then we plan on getting a little lounge, a little section, and doing something like that. So y'all stay tuned, turn on y'all post notifications, and I'll get back with y'all when we start walking. Gotta head back to the car and get the bullets real quick. We got our target set up. You see that? Look at this adventure ass nigga. Then we got a target right here. Then we got like 2 targets. I gotta set this paper up real quick. If we had nails, this would work better, but the wind's blowing. If the wind wasn't blowing, this would work better, but it's straight. We gonna get this shit done. Yo, we shooting in there. We got to do this before the wind started blowing. Just tell me your target when you do it. It was on this tree. That shit probably chips. Target's falling off and shit. Oh, the wind. Both of these niggas, they are trigger ready. Both of these, they're trigger ready. It's not really. Sit right here. Come over here. Wait until you behind us. You good. Go up a little bit. You good right there. See his angle right here? So he good. It's nah, he not shooting at the board. It's good. We gonna go back over. Nah, he's shooting at the bottles. Shoot 2 bottles. Yeah. Hold it. Okay. You gotta get a little closer. Don't move closer, but like shoot. Like, yeah, focus.
Hold it. So you're not like moving around and shit.
Make sure you hold that gun.
These balls be bouncing off the stone or no?
They can't ricochet. They just gonna break the stone in.
This nigga's missing every shot.
Yeah, he missed them. Well, we not pros, so. How many you got left?
Probably got a couple left.
Check the mag. Finger out the trigger. Yeah. Okay.
Dump it? Empty it?
Dump it, nigga. That's up to you. Okay. You can see the bullet holes in the stone. He was trying to hit these bottles over here. I wonder if we can find the bullets. Probably not, because hella leaves. Let me fix this board real quick. We gonna let Chaz see what Chaz can do. You see, when you stand far back, it's not echoing your ears. If you up on it, you gonna hear it.
It's ringing, but it's not bad.
It's because you shooting the gun. Okay, this is the CG3, basically the bigger version, full size gun of the CG2.
See what you got, man.
I hate saying that shit. CG3.
No, it's just the G3.
That shit weird.
Hold on. Record. Ready, set, go.
Practice shooting, no thump.
We aiming for the bottles?
Yeah. Take out 2.
Take out 2 if you can.
See if I can get the liquor bottle.
Okay. He going for the liquor bottle. Hold it. When you shoot, you want to have it pointed out and firm holding the gun. Like your slide. Look at the slide. You see how it's halfway back? Push it up forward just a little bit. You got a fresh round out. Yep.
That shit jammed.
It jammed. So take the mag out.
Take the mag out.
Yeah. Got to teach these boys gun safety. Then pull it. I bet. Put that bullet in your pocket.
Right on top of the bottle.
Okay. Okay. He that bit. He hit that bit. Okay. We call him Sniper.
With these sights, I see you gotta aim a little up more.
Mm-hmm.
It's like whatever your target is, aim above it.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. I'm gonna go for this one on the left.
All the way on the
All the way left.
all the way left. Okay. The Arizona bottle. All the way on the left. I bet. Okay. Snipped it a little bit. Snipped it a little bit.
What is this, a Glock?
Little bottle, small. You said what?
What's that? That's a Glock?
Yeah. That hard to keep straight.
Exhale first. And then hold it. You going for the big bottle on the right? You going for the big one on the right?
Stay in the middle. Yeah, on the right.
Small one?
On the right.
Oh, right side.
There's one like behind this tree.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Good shit. Get that little one.
I know you lying.
Should jammed again?
10 minutes in total, probably.
That shit went down there.
Where that is? Yeah, that shit loud. What you aiming for?
Black one and blue.
All right. That boy missing. Why was that bullet all the way over there?
Hey, on target, my boy.
You can't be my shooter. Hit a lick and hit somebody. Hit a lick and hit somebody's child. Lose the fear. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, you hit one.
Nah, I had a couple actually.
No, you're missing. Look at the top, nigga. You're okay. But look at this. 1, 2.
Nine.
That one. You skipped this shit.
Okay, we got 2 9s right here. Alright, I see you. What's this? I don't even say. Oh, shit. Got 2 9s.
good right there.
That's good.
Damn.
Whose shit is this?
Damn, that's the
Got some
exit.
7s. Oh, from
That
down
gotta
here.
be his, yeah. Him
Okay.
missing.
Got 2 9s. Got an 8.
Look at them exits.
Oh, no, I'm bugging. That's dirt.
That's if you get hit with a 9.
That's crazy.
You was missing right here, twin.
Okay, nigga. I see you.
I don't know who you think he is.
Yeah,
Can't
I
be
see
my
you.
shooter. This nigga behind the trees, like you scared? Seen that nigga shaking when he was shooting his gun.
Alright, you shoot 6. Try 3 for the 9 and 3 for the headshot.
I bet. Oh, you missed horribly. Whoa, yes, you went way left.
That nigga hand went.
You went way left. Look at where the dust spark up, where the rocks. Whenever it's not like the slide's not all the way push up, just hit the back just a little bit, just to push it in.
I'm gonna go for the head.
Yeah, knock that shit back. Fuck it. I think he hit the head. I can see the hole. He hit the head. You seen that tree bark? We gotta become some Navy SEALs because we jerking a little bit too much. We not pros. Hold on, let me put the camera on me. We not pros, we just learning. So we trying to get to a point where we have a decent amount of aim and we can shoot at things and be able to hit whatever target we're aiming at.
You gotta be stiff as hell though, like with your arms.
Yeah, that's the thing. You have to, it's all about that pointing out and keeping it straight. Yeah. The more you have it like more firm. Yosh? Yeah, I seen the 2 headshots. But let's see what he got. Little stickers.
Okay. I see you.
So you didn't do this one?
No, I did. 9 and 8.
Okay.
And then 2 headshots.
Shoot. Nah, that's the hole.
Oh, okay. I was about to say.
So I shot what, 6, 7, and only hit 4. It's not too bad. Alright, bro, it's on you, man.
I'm gonna hit some.
What you calling out?
Headshot.
Headshot?
Straight headshot. Straight headshot. Right. If I don't get more than 3 headshots, something wrong with me. 6 shots, I bet. Damn, it came off. Put this bitch back on me. Been Ryan? Bottle, whoever can hit the bottle first. Nah, he got 2 more.
You got 2 more?
Yeah.
How many is in here? 8?
Yeah, you got 2 more.
Shooting left or right?
I don't even know.
I think your sights is crooked, nigga. Look,
The back ones have to be adjusted a little bit, but you're really looking at the one ahead of you, yeah. But it's straight enough. When I first got it, it was way more cricketer. Yeah. Close. Low just a little bit. Think too high. It's hot and ready. Okay, we got Jay in the cut. It's a smaller gun, got way more grip around it. Custom decal grip on it also. Ooh, you was close. One more.
A little bit to the right. There's a little left.
So, got the Glock, got the Taurus. And then we got the motherfucking G3. He said he got to get the bottle though. Step up a little bit. Make sure you hit it. Push the slide up a little bit.
Yeah, I got one in. I think I got one in the head. Yeah.
Okay, let's fix this. But we finna head out. We finna go back to the crib. Do whatever. Just finna head out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all, you know, enjoy these type of videos of us just coming out here and shooting a gun. Just let me know, and we'll definitely do way more videos out here. I definitely want to get the metal target, so we won't have to keep spending money on getting these paper targets. But this is a fun activity, a little event just to get out the way, not spending money for real. We are, but if you understand, you understand. But catch y'all on the flip side. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video to anybody that you know, anybody that you associate with, anybody you don't associate with. Just share the video. Catch y'all on the flip side.